call this meeting to order. The chair notes that there is a quorum present. Commissioner Watkins and I are here in Condon. Commissioner Shannon is in Arlington. We will go into 2.0, which is additions and revisions to the agenda. I'm assuming we don't have any.
Okay, I got one thing that maybe you want to wait till next week, but Nan from Ardent Mills talked to me this morning about a maintenance issue out there, and I just need to pass it on to you, and then we have to do it in public meeting somehow. I guess.
Okay. Okay, we can add that on to the end. Correspondence and public comment. Individuals wishing to address the county court may do so at this time and at other times throughout the meeting. Speakers are asked to raise your hand to be recognized by the chair. Give your name and address and limit comments to 3 minutes. We don't have anybody in the courtroom, so unless Jolie has public comment, I think we'll move on. Unfinished business is consider approval of revised letter of agreement between AFSCME and Gilliam County. You guys all know sort of the backstory of this. On the first, we approved a letter of agreement with AFSCME regarding extending the probationary period for an employee candidate for the rock crusher position that's open. AFSCME has indicated its general support for the letter, but requested a few amendments. They've requested one that was in your packet, and then they got back to me earlier this morning and had some additional revisions, basically just removing some language, which I am comfortable with. Do you guys have any questions about that?
I do not.
The one thing I wanted, can you put these back in there? The one thing I wanted to note on behalf of the union is just to make clear that they're not associated with the hiring process. We only are bringing them in because of this extension of the probationary period. That piece is in the contract, so they're not endorsing necessarily us hiring somebody who doesn't meet minimum qualifications or any of those things. That they're just trying to be good partners in terms of helping us find a path forward for this particular candidate. So I just wanted to put that on the record.
Okay.
Okay. Do we have a motion on the letter?
I move to approve the revised letter of agreement with AFSCME as amended.
Yes.
I'll second.
It's been moved and seconded that we approve the revised letter of agreement with AFSCME as amended. Is there further discussion? Right. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Ainsley's an aye as well for the record. Okay, Pat, what was your thing you wanted to add?
Oh, Commissioner Watkins and I did tours after the meeting down here, last meeting here in Arlington out at Ardent Mills, and Nan pointed out to me that there was some problems with a door that I believe was installed when those responsibilities fell under Commissioner Wilkins, that was installed by Rutherford Construction. And they had been back out to repair the door, and there's broken bolts in it that he couldn't get out, and said he'd be back and fix it. Has never been back, and it's getting extremely difficult to open. She said it's really bad today, and wanted to make sure that I had elevated. I'd kind of forgotten about it after the tour, but I told her I would try to talk to you today and let you know. But I'm assuming it's already been paid for, but it's definitely got broken bolts off of it. It was not a very good repair.
Okay. I can follow up with Jeff and have him get in touch with the contractor about getting that fixed.
Okay, that's all I got.
All right, anything else for the good of the order? If not, it is 12:04 and I will adjourn the meeting.